For today's video guys, ayan, kakatapos ko lang maligo and look, ayan, meron akong dumating na parcel guys, nagulat ako, may kumatok sa pintuan guys, akala ko kung sino na, ayan, meron pala akong parcel na dumating guys, so bubuksan na natin, ano kaya ito, ayan, I'm so excited of this guys, OMG, ano kaya ito, ayan guys, ayan, oh my god, ayan guys, ito na pala yung aking in-order guys. Oh my god. Ayan, tingnan natin. Ayan yung aking mga paboritong color guys. Ayan po. Talaga naman, I'm so excited of this guys. OMG, tingnan natin. Parang ang laki niya guys. Oh my god, parang ang laki niya. Ayan guys, ito na yung aking in-order. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys, a red color, oh my god. Ayan, I'm so excited of this guys. Excited na akong i-fit siya guys. Later, abangan niyo yung aking pag-upload nito guys. Ayan, abangan niyo yung aking pag-upload nito. Ayan, it's a green color. Ayan guys. Parang malaki siya. Ayan po. Ang in-order ko po ay ano tong in-order ko Parang malaki siya guys. Ang in-order ko ay medium size, medium or large. It's a medium size guys. Ayan, parang malaki siya. So, abangan niyo po yung aking pag-fit nito guys. Ayan. Ayan po. Ayan, itong black color naman. Ayan, 3 colors siya guys. Ayan, very affordable lang yung kanyang price. Ayan, you can you can order also. Ayan po, yung kanyang guys, so ang ganda, ayan, ang ganda niya guys, ayan, so 3 colors, ayan, abangan nyo yung aking pag-fit nito later guys, ayan, alam nyo ba kung magkano lang to siya guys, ayan, naka-sale kasi to siya guys, naka-sale na, 3 colors is for only 150 pesos, OMG, napakamura niya lang guys, no, ayan, I really love the red color guys, so look, ayan, tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda ng kanyang red color, ayan po. Ayan, so, I'm also excited of this guys. Ayan, excited na akong i-try to, i-fit. So, abangan nyo po yung aking pag-fit nito guys. Ayan, diba ang ganda niya? Ang ganda niya guys. I really love it. Ayan, hindi na naman nasayang yung aking pag-order nito guys. Ayan. Ayan po. My fashion. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. I really love it. So, ayan po. Ayan, abangan nyo yung aking pag-fit nito guys. Maya-maya lamang. So, abangan nyo. Ayan. So, please subscribe my channel guys. And you can also avail a membership. Ayan, if you avail a membership guys, you can watch the videos that I upload guys for only members only. O, diba? Ayan, so... And if you like my videos, guys, you can also send me a separate things gift. So, I wanna fit this, guys. Let's go.